Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have stopped at the world's largest gas station in Iowa. Right now we are upstairs looking around at some toys, and I seen these and wanted to look at them. These are so pretty. They are $20. Oh, this one's really pretty. Just some little cups. And then they have some clothes. They have a lot of stuff. They got some shoes. Let's cut through here. Oh, that's cool. Down there they have a coffee shop. There's a Taco Bell, a Dairy Queen. There's a Pizza Hut? Oh my goodness, hold on. Oh, yep. So there's Pizza Hut. And then, here we go. They have a little bit of everything up here. Now we're gonna head back downstairs. Look, the doggies. Oh. Glad your sister isn't in here. She would not let us leave without it.
What about the...
Coming downstairs. So here's a quick little overlook of everything downstairs. So that's where we came in. So let's go this way. Oh, those are cute. Oh, look at that. That's cool. You want a picture?
Yeah.
All right, and then there's another little flight of stairs that we can go down. And this is just a quick little overlook of everything down here. We are actually not gonna go down here. Does not look like anything we would need. Let's go this way. I know. I think that's stuff for like truckers, because it's like mini fridge, movies, and stuff like that down there.
Oh, cool.
I mean, you can obviously put it in the house, I'm sure, too, but... Oh, I guess we do have to go upstairs for drinks. Oh, okay, well... Oh. You gonna fart it by us? Ooh, Lord have mercy. that's voodoo stuff. I don't mess with stuff like that. I will never find my name. Never have been able to find my name on stuff like this. Ooh. Nope. Couldn't find my kid's name either. Oh, okay. I didn't see these registers up here. Oh, they got a little game room over there. I know, isn't that cool? Okay, let's come over this way for drinks. Ooh. Chocolate covered pretzels, Rice Krispie treats, Oreos. Do you want a drink?
Yeah.
All right. Now's your time to pick it. Because hopefully we won't have to stop again.
Alright.
They have a lightning blast, new flavor, and midnight ice.
Cool.
Yeah. Yes, baby. Oh my goodness. Only $8. That's how much you pay for a pack. Ooh, that's soft too. Yeah. Why is soft dirty? Here's that drink that Gigi said you like. Black, what is it? Blackberry?
Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah.
Ooh, they also have a cherry Dr. Pepper.
You want one?
No, I want the strawberry and cream. If y'all have not tried the strawberry and cream Dr. Pepper, run to the store and try it. I love it. It tastes just like that strawberry and cream candy from back in the day. Yum. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video so I can walk around and look at some stuff with just my baby. Y'all stay blessed.